Divide 760 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 2. So again we put down the 6 and it is 26. 5 times 5 is 25. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 0 and it is 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 760 divided by 5 is 152. So this much for today and thanks for watching.